Hey y'all, this is Cameron the Trekker. Today I'm just going to do a real quick video on how I sharpen my hatchet. This is a Estwing camp hatchet. It's not anything super ridiculously nice. Alright y'all, so this is what I'm going to be using today to sharpen my hatchet. It's called the Lansky Puck Sharpener, and just some simple Lansky honing oil. So first, what I like to do, and right now this is pretty dull for what I like to keep it at. So I'm going to use the rough side, the coarse side first. And what I like to do is just put a dot of oil on there and swirl it around a little bit. Alright, now what I do is I line it up. You kind of just got to feel for the edge of the blade. So when you have the right edge, it's going to feel like it's grinding into it. And I just do this for a little while on both sides. In a circular motion. Then I'll switch to the other side. Just feeling for the edge.
From the bright sunny south to the war I was sent, ere the days of my boyhood I scarcely had spent. From its cool shady forests and deep flowing streams, ever fond in my memory.
Alright, there's the coarse side. Now the edge is pretty clean, still a couple nicks, so I'm going to keep doing the course a little bit longer, see if I can get those nicks out. Okay, that looks better. Now I'm going to move on to the finer edge of the sharpener. I'm going to do the same thing, but first I like to wipe the oil and the shavings off the blade first before I start the fine side. Now we got a nice clean edge. So no honing oil or black metal shavings left on it. So now I'm gonna do the same thing. Put some oil on here. Swirl it around. When you're doing this, the sound of the grinding really tells you a lot about whether you're making a difference or not. Usually when you don't have the sharpener at an aggressive enough angle, it sounds like it's just scraping it, kind of like sandpaper. But if you have it at the right angle, it'll sound like it's grinding, which is what you want. So that means it's actually cutting into the edge that you're putting onto it. like that so far. I'm going to wipe it off and give it one more time on each side, and I think it'll be up to par.
Oh, my dear little sister, I still see her tears when I had to leave home in our tender years. And my sweet, gentle mother, so dear to my heart.
Okay, we are all set. Wipe the edge off here. When I'm finished, I have a nice clean edge. Nice and shiny. Alright, that's it, guys. Hatchet's nice and sharp now, ready to go. Next, what I'm going to do is just put a little bit of honing oil on the blade and throw it back in the sheath. Thanks for watching, y'all. Stay tuned. See you later.